In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight blank cells in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and useful way to quickly spot missing information in a worksheet, especially if you're reviewing data, cleaning up a spreadsheet, or checking for incomplete entries before sharing a file. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the sheet where you want to find blank cells. Once you're there, select the range of cells you want to check. This part is important because Excel will only search for blank cells inside the area you highlight. So if you want to scan a full column, a table, or a specific section of your worksheet, make sure that exact range is selected before moving on. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the editing area of the ribbon, click Find and Select, and then choose Go to Special. This option helps Excel identify specific types of cells within your selection, which makes it much faster than checking manually. When the Go to Special window appears, select blanks and then click OK. Excel will immediately identify all blank cells in the range you selected. At this point, those blank cells are highlighted, which means they're all selected at the same time. This is very helpful because it lets you take action on every empty cell at once instead of working one by one. If you want to make those blank cells stand out visually, stay on the Home tab and click Fill Color. Then choose the background color you want to apply. As soon as you click a color, all of the selected blank cells will be filled with that color, making them easy to notice the next time you look at the worksheet. This can be especially helpful if you're preparing reports, auditing records, or simply organizing data and want a clear visual marker for anything that still needs to be completed. If you accidentally selected the wrong range, you can always undo the formatting and repeat the same process with the correct selection. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where to find the go-to special feature, highlighting blank cells in Excel becomes a quick and efficient task that can save you a lot of time.